Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare JetBrains WebStorm versus VS Code. We'll explore what makes each tool unique, starting with their fundamental design philosophies. WebStorm, a full-fledged IDE, provides an all-in-one solution, while VS Code, a versatile editor, focuses on a modular, extension-driven approach. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right tool for your development workflow, whether you prioritize built-in features or customization flexibility. When it comes to features, WebStorm offers a comprehensive suite of tools built right in, including smart code completion, powerful refactoring, and integrated testing for many web technologies. VS Code, on the other hand, provides a lean core that you can augment with thousands of extensions. This means you can tailor VS Code precisely to your needs, but it requires more setup. Both excel in different ways, catering to distinct preferences for functionality. Regarding performance, VS Code typically boasts quicker startup times and a lighter memory footprint, often using a few hundred megabytes of RAM. WebStorm, with its extensive built-in features, might require more system resources, potentially consuming 1 or 2 gigabytes of RAM or more, depending on the project. This difference is a trade-off between a lightweight editor and a feature-rich IDE. Your experience will depend on your machine's specifications and the complexity of your projects. Finally, let's consider pricing and the broader ecosystem. VS Code is entirely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone, and it's supported by Microsoft. WebStorm operates on a subscription model, offering various plans for individuals and teams. JetBrains provides a cohesive suite of professional development tools that integrate seamlessly. Both have strong communities, but VS Code's open-source nature fosters a particularly vibrant and expansive extension marketplace, offering countless options for customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.